Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into a topic that's sparking curiosity and debate worldwide. Will AI make humans obsolete? As artificial intelligence evolves at a breathtaking pace, performing tasks once thought to be uniquely human, this question is more relevant than ever. Join me as we explore a future where AI and humans might coexist harmoniously, or where AI could potentially take the lead. AI is revolutionizing industries across the board. From self-driving cars and automated customer service to cutting-edge robotics, AI is reshaping how we work. In manufacturing, AI operates tirelessly, boosting productivity and minimizing the need for human intervention. We're witnessing AI's impact in healthcare, finance, education, and even the arts. Its ability to analyze massive datasets with lightning speed is truly transformative. But does this spell the end for human workers? While AI can handle certain tasks, it can't replicate the essence of human intelligence. Creativity, emotional insight, complex decision-making, and ethical considerations are areas where humans excel. Rather than viewing AI as a threat, consider it a partner that amplifies our abilities. AI is poised to redefine jobs, not eliminate them. As AI takes on repetitive or hazardous tasks, humans can focus on strategic, creative, and leadership roles. Yet we must acknowledge the challenges. AI's advancement could lead to significant job displacement, particularly in sectors like manufacturing, retail, and transportation. Without careful management, this transition could exacerbate social and economic disparities. It's crucial to innovate responsibly, creating support systems for those impacted by AI's rise through education, retraining, and new economic frameworks. In closing, AI is unlikely to render humans obsolete. While automation may streamline certain tasks, the irreplaceable human traits of creativity, empathy, and ethical judgment will always hold value. The future isn't about humans versus AI, it's about collaborating with AI to forge a brighter world. Let's embrace AI's potential with optimism, ingenuity, and responsibility, ensuring that the human spirit remains central to progress. Thank you for watching.